Recently, you received your schedule for the 2016-17 school year in the mail. Our goal is to take each student request into consideration while also being mindful of class size and balancing academic courses. Hopefully, you received many of the classes you wanted. If, however, you need to request a change, we're happy to see what we can do. In order for us to keep an accurate record of all schedule change requests, we ask that you use the forms you received with your schedule to request a change. This may be your first time requesting a schedule change. We want to make sure you have all of the information you need to do so. Let's take a quick look at what you'll need to do to request that change, and then we'll look at the details a little more closely. First, you'll fill out what your current schedule is on the schedule change form. Using the grid on the back of the form, you'll find out what courses are still open. Then you will fill in the schedule you wish to have or your desired schedule and return the form either to the high school office by stopping by mailing in the form, or by sending the form to Mrs. White by email. Let's take a look at the forms a little bit more closely. This is the schedule grid we'll refer to. And this is the actual schedule change form you'll turn into the high school. You'll begin by filling out the top portion of this form. This allows counselors to get in contact with you quickly if they have any questions about your schedule change request. You'll fill out your current schedule. Now, you do not need to fill out your entire schedule, just the classes that you're wishing to change. Next, you'll go to the schedule grid to see what blocks courses are offered. The numbers in the box indicate what block each class is offered. So for instance, you can look at Bible 9 and see that it was offered in the Flex, Block 1, Block 3, Block 5, and Block 7. Bible 9 is full in Flex Block and in Block 5. That's why these courses are in black. They are no longer available. FF refers to Flex in the fall, and FS refers to Flex in the spring. You'll notice that some Flex blocks are in gray and some are not. The Flex blocks in gray simply mean that they are taken all year long. So for Bible 10, a student taking that class in the Flex would need to take it both in the fall and in the spring to complete the coursework. A course like C.S. Lewis can be taken in Flex either in the fall or taken in the spring. If you look at the schedule form, you will see that the block offerings correspond with the numbers you find on the grid. So for instance, Bible 9 in blocks 1 and 3 will be found in the fall, block 1 and block 3. Bible 9 block 7 is a spring course and is offered here in block 7. Again, courses that are full are marked in black. Let's actually fill the form out to see how that goes. Let's say that for your schedule, you received Spanish 3 in block 1, and you're actually supposed to be in Spanish 2. You might begin by filling out the current schedule and what course you want to change. You will then go over and look at Spanish 2 on your grid. You can see that here it is also offered block 1. That's an easy change to make. You would go to your schedule change form, type in Spanish 2, fill in the top portion and the bottom of this form, and turn it into the main high school office. Counselors would then let you know when your schedule change was complete. Now, not all schedule changes will be this easy. You may have to change multiple courses in order to fit in a class that you really desire. Counselors will begin working on schedule changes on August 24th. You will not hear from them until after this point, but changes will be made before school begins and you'll be alerted by email. We're looking forward to a fabulous school year this year, but we also hope you enjoy these last few days of summer. Rest, and we'll see you in the fall.